The purpose of the Blue Roof mission is to install fiber reinforced plastic sheeting onto damaged residential roofs. So FEMA mission assigns the Corps of Engineers to come out and do an initial assessment. We come out and we identify roughly how many roofs might be damaged, and then we collaborate with the state and with FEMA to identify if there is a legitimate mission to be had. And at that point, FEMA mission assigns us to go out and actually do the installations of the temporary roofs. Residents impacted by Hurricane Milton can sign up on www.blueroof.gov or call 888-ROOF-BLUE, that is BLU.
Yeah, the average home takes approximately 30 to 45 minutes, maybe an hour. And at peak production, contractors will generally put anywhere from 200 to 400 roofs a day on. So this is definitely a stopgap measure. The roofs are not 100% guaranteed not to leak. And we recommend that they get a more permanent solution in approximately 30 days. Generally, the residents are extremely pleased. They're very thankful for, having this service available to them. It's definitely a stopgap between, what for many of them is the worst moment in their life to being able to get their life back together and moving forward as it was before.
I found out about the Blue Tarp group through my sister, through a Facebook link. It was approved very, very quickly. The process to go through it was very quick. They responded very nice, well over the phone. This brings me immediate relief today that I don't have to worry about how I'm gonna try and figure out how to get a tarp up on here. And it's windy out. This thing's gonna be blowing in the wind. I can't do this by myself, there's no way. And to have a team that comes out here and does this and gets it done right and doesn't cause more damage to the roof that needs to be, this is fantastic. I feel super relieved. I would absolutely encourage my friends and family to do this and to call this. In fact, I've already actually told one of my friends about this because I know someone else with some issues with his roof. He lost a good part of his roof, and he would be another perfect candidate for something like this to give him that peace of mind.